Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so sorry for the wait, but it's been, so much going on, but I'm back, y'all. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so that you could get notified every time I post. Now, in today's vlog, you're going to be learning how to make these adorable turkey strawberries and marble strawberries for Thanksgiving. And if you would like to purchase a platter, feel free to check me out on Instagram at Wings by E Treats. Now let's get into today's vlog. First, you're going to start off with some clean and dried strawberries. For the turkey berries, you're going to need some pretzels and marshmallows and chocolate. Here I am just making the word thankful out of milk chocolate. Louisa. Now for the marble berries, I use the Chef Master Candy Color Orange. Just put very little and mix and dip your berry. Now forgive me because I dipped this one and the chocolate was still a little hot. So make sure your chocolate is not too hot, y'all, before you dip your berry. Now for your turkey berries, you're going to melt milk chocolate wafers or dark chocolate, whichever one you prefer, and melt them in increments of 20 seconds because milk chocolate for some reason takes longer to melt, but make sure it's this consistency. Next, you're going to break your turkey legs or pretzel sticks in small pieces. Now, I ended up having to break mine a little smaller towards the end because my turkey legs were too long. Then you're going to stick them into marshmallows. One marshmallow. Some like to use 2 marshmallows, but whichever look you like best, 1 or 2, go for that. Next, you're going to cut some of the mini marshmallows in half, and you're going to use this as the little, I would say, the little arms for the turkey. Now you're going to dip your turkey legs into a little bit of chocolate and add it to your strawberry. So now the legs are coming along. Then you're going to add your little arms. Then you're going to sit your strawberry aside for it to chill or to harden before dipping it into the chocolate.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the milk. I wanna ride all night, working in the milk. I wanna Ooh, baby, do you remember
Now your berry is ready to be dipped. Look at how beautiful and luscious. Oh, do you see that? Now that the turkey berries are set aside to cool, I am going to create this luster paint, and I used wedding gold from the Sugar Art. It's my favorite gold to use. And I used some vodka. You could use whatever vodka of your choice to make that luster paint. Mix it all together and then make sure it's not too thick. You don't want the luster paint to be too thick because then it's going to be clumpy when you start to paint on the berry. And yeah, I love how the gold looks.
Are they selling? Chocolates! What? Chocolates! I can't hear you! They're selling chocolates! They're selling chocolate? Yeah! Chocolate.
Here is how they turned out, and they were so good. Now, check me out on Instagram at Winks by Eat Treats. Order yours now before Thanksgiving, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.